Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing Starlights and we're going to do cab lights. This is what Starlight's going to look like. Those look pretty good. But the cab lights look even better. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video. I'd like to thank boostauto for sending me some cab lights that are actually sick. Like, that's probably my favorite part of the whole truck right now. Is probably the cab lights by themselves. If you haven't already, go head over to boostauto. Check out their website. If you have a truck that is under their listing, buy something for it. It's worth it. So let's get into today's video. All right, so we're over here at my buddy Austin's, owner of ACL. We're gonna take the headliner out. It's a little dirty, dang.
What's good, you guys?
Let's see here. He says he can do it in 15 minutes, so we're gonna test it out.
15 minutes. Chevys are a little bit different. Fords I can do all day.
Fords, you just yank them out, do shit.
It's a Ford.
There's just so much stuff here. I didn't want to mess with it myself.
You're good, bro. Yeah, no, I've done 2024s, Longhorn Laramies, all kinds of stuff.
Damn it. Shouldn't have done a damn burnout before working on the old truck, I guess. We're like 25 seconds in and he's got all this done already.
There it is.
Oh.
Yeah, that's normal. It's just all the plastics and magnet.
All right, Jake, open these boxes, dude. Show them what we got. Show them what we got. Turn it around. Ooh. Pull it off. Dang. Those are gonna look so good. Alright, so we got the headliner pulled down. We're gonna go ahead and just change the cab lights out, which are right there. And then, what'd you say, next week?
Yep, next week we'll do the headliner.
We'll do the Starlight headliner.
I'll be up in North Florida for this coming week for Christmas. You know, I gotta spend time with the family. Gotta at least do that while I'm up there hunting.
There we go. Now we can see.
Yeah. Well, I'm about to take this visor out, and then I'll drop this.
Then it'll come down a little more.
Yep.
All right. Dismantling my truck, dude.
Tearing it up.
We got the headliner ready to come out. Seat coming out.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. If you have the same kind of truck as me, same body style, head over to boostauto, get some cab lights. These don't come color matched. They'll come black. You color match them to your truck. This is how they turn out. This has a startup sequence, so whenever you start the truck, it'll do its little thing and then it'll power on. Mine are pure white running. It has switchback for the blinkers. Comes with a wiring harness, module for it, all the connectors you need. They did a good job. And then we also have their mirror lights. So head over to boostauto.com and get some stuff. All right. Cab lights are out, new ones are going in. All right, let's slap this old girl in. Dang, dude. Is it in?
Yeah, it's in. Because it'll tighten right up.
Yeah. Boom. Yeah, it's not like it's don't want to lock in.
Well, once you tighten it up, it will.
Once you tighten it, it'll pull it down, lock it in. Oh my. All right, so now that they're tightened down, we can plug them in put the headliner back in, and then we can go down there and do our module box. Got a cab lights in. Now we got to get in here to the harness, splice into a wire, go all the way through the dash, go over there and pull that side apart, and splice into wires over there, and then my cab lights should work. Should. So I might get a ratchet and make sure they're tight. All right, now we got the passenger side pulled apart.
Yeah, 'cause this is like one of the stream trucks.
You can see in here, this purple wire.
I see why then.
We have to clip it and hook it to the module. All right, so we got it spliced. Part of the module goes up into the harness. I think this was your running light. These two wires go to the driver's side. All right, wires are routed through. Got this harness pulled, and we put the little wire clips in it. Moving on to the next step. And I found a tracking device. I was wondering why I had two OBD2 ports. Well, weird. All right, so module is all wired up into the harness. All I gotta do is put it back together, plug this into here, put this behind the carpet, put this panel back in, put that piece back in, and fire the truck up. All right, so here we go. Boom. All right, dude, put it back in my truck now. Then we got these tucked in the headliner so that you can't see them. Even with a tinted windshield, you can see right through that thing with them lights on. Here's the cab lights with the mirror lights here. Dang, that looks good. Denali. All right, so the best part is when they do a startup sequence on the mirror lights and startup sequence on the cab lights, they actually work together. It's actually pretty sick. I don't know how they managed to do that, but they did a dang good job doing it. The Starlight does all different colors. They twinkle. These lights are not from boostauto. These are just, I took my headliner out, so I might as well have done Starlight. That is the only reason I did Starlight. But I'm kind of happy with it now. It looks pretty dang good. I can't get over the freaking cab lights. These are just insane. That's so sick. All right, next up, fender lights, and then hopefully steps. That would be really killer. So the steps will have a light that go all the way across the bottom of it. These will be white in color, just like my cab lights and my mirror lights. My steps will be the same color as well. So basically every light on this truck will be white, besides those stupid lights right there. That makes me so mad. Other than that, guys, I am in love with this truck. Dang. A lot of you know this truck. This was my best friend's truck that passed away. I rebuilt it in memory of him. Tomorrow is my birthday. And for my birthday, I am gonna go redo his entire crash site where everyone has their crosses and stuff. I'm gonna put new rocks out, new solar lights that light up at night, stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing for my birthday. I'm excited to do it. I want to do it. And one day, This will be really high. Everything under it powder coated, big wheels, big tires, nice interior, nice paint job. Just everything, it will be so perfect about this. And hopefully one day I can park it in my living room where it'll just sit there. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe if you aren't subscribed already, and catch you on the next video.